Let's go directly to the starter to pump up the fuel instead of putting all the power into charging the battery. So what I do is I take the cable and ground it, and then I take the positive and I put it on the end of the starter with no voltage there, ready to go. And then I turn the jumper pack on, and that should send power directly to the starter. So let me show you how that goes. Now you're going to do this just like how you would be starting. You start and then you turn it off. So crank 1, 2, 3. Not a very good ground. 1, 2, 3. Not a good ground. Let me ground on the ground. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the jumper pack is at 13%, 20%. So that's very, very weak. Let me get another jumper pack. Okay, we're back. Another jumper pack. This one might be a little bit better. And I think I like the ground on the battery better than the dirty cylinder block. So connect positive to negative, then you turn on your pack, fully charged, and then energize your starter and see what you get. Oh, that's the light. Okay. Yeah, there's not much power in it. It's very hard to turn the motor. Let's try one more time. So, I feel like it might start. Just not like that.